The Mustang GT isn't just a Karitzen icon reborn for a new generation. From the moment you approach, its aggressive stance, wide grille, and sculpted hood signal raw American muscle with a modern twist. The Coyote 5.0 LV8 under the hood isn't just about horsepower, it's about presence. Fire it up, and the rumble isn't just heard, it's felt in your chest. Every inch of its design is performance-driven but unapologetically bold, reminding you this isn't just transportation, a declaration. Inside, the Mustang GT blends track-focused functionality with refined comfort. The cockpit wraps around you with intuitive controls, a digital instrument cluster, and a flat-bottom steering wheel that screams performance. You're surrounded by leather, carbon accents, and a sense of power waiting to be unleashed. From your first touch of the paddle shifters to the growl that echoes with every gear change, it becomes clear this is a driver's machine, not a commuter's compromise. On the road, the GT transforms into something alive. Throttle response is instant, and each push sends the rear tires gripping into the pavement with purpose. Whether carving through twisty backroads or launching on a straightaway, the balance between brute force and chassis control keeps it planted, yet playful. It's not just about speed, it's about how that speed makes you feel. In control, electrified, and completely immersed in the drive. What sets the Mustang GT apart isn't just numbers, it's emotion. It's the feeling of a long stretch of road, the deep pulse of a V8 soundtrack, and the knowledge that you're behind the wheel of a modern legend. It's more than horsepower and torque, it's heritage, redefined for now. Every drive becomes an experience, and every